Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Toyota RAV4 with a key. If your RAV4 isn't starting, it's often due to a dead key fob battery. Don't worry, there's a straightforward method to get your vehicle running without needing a new battery immediately. This process bypasses the usual wireless communication, allowing the car to recognize your key's internal chip directly. It's a handy trick for unexpected situations. First, you'll need to access the physical key hidden within your key fob. Look for a small button on the side of the fob. Pressing it will release the metal key. Once you have the physical key, insert it into the keyhole on the driver's side door. Turn the key to manually unlock the door, allowing you to enter your vehicle. This step is crucial when the remote unlock function isn't working. Now that you're inside, place the key fob directly against the engine start button. This allows the car's immobilizer system to read the key fob's internal chip, even without battery power. With the key fob in place, firmly press the brake pedal with your foot. Then, push the engine start button. Your RAV4 should now start, allowing you to drive to your destination or a service center. To prevent future starting issues, it's wise to replace your key fob battery. Most Toyota RAV4 key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. These are inexpensive and readily available at many stores. Replacing it is a simple process. Carefully open the fob, swap the old battery for a new one, and reassemble. This ensures reliable remote functionality and avoids unexpected starting problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.